Hey folks, welcome back to our kitchen. This is Chef Morris, and today, as you can see, we have this beautiful meat right here. And this one is a rabbit meat. Sa Pilipinas, hindi pa masyadong common ang pagkain ng rabbit. But alam nyo ba guys, ang rabbit ay high protein at less calories compared sa mga meat na madalas natin kinakain. Ang ating recipe for today is a classic Italian dish na napakadali at talaga namang napakasarap. Ang recipe natin today ay tinatawag na coniglio alla cacciatora. Bago tayo magsimula guys, shoutout ko muna itong aking friend na si Mr. Nap Amarca of Nap and Bodog Rabbits. So talaga naman they import high quality rabbits sa ating bansa. Please check out their Facebook page right now. So just like the normal meat, meron tayo dito 4 legs, the ribs, and then ito yung ating tinatawag na loin. So ngayon mag-start tayo mag-cut ng ating rabbit meat. Hanapin lang natin yung pinaka-joint niya na kanyang legs. Okay, there you go, one leg. Ito yung ating another leg. Shoulder. Let the knife do the work. Ngayon, open natin yung kanyang rib cage. Kung meron kayong scissor, you can also use your scissor. So this one is good for making stock. Let's cut this part into small, equal pieces. Let's heat up some oil. Now let's fry our rabbit meat. I'm going to put some herbs. So we have rosemary, 2 cloves of garlic, sage, and some thyme. Ito yung talaga magpapalasa palalo ng ating rabbit. So be generous sa paglalagay ng ating herbs. So ngayon guys, as you can see, okay na yung kulay niya. Tingnan nyo siya, oh. Nag-caramelize na yung kanyang kulay. So set aside lang natin yung ating rabbit for a while. Kaya mag-cut tayo ng onion para sa ating sofrito. Feel free to use white onion or red onion. Now I'll cut our carrots. Now our celery. So guys, in the same pan, magbibigyan tayo ng olive oil. Then lagyan natin i-saute itong ating So guys, hindi natin siya i-fry, hayaan lang natin siya mag-sweat para mas maging intense ang kanyang lasa. Palalabasin lang natin yung kanyang natural taste. Now it's time to bring back our rabbit. So guys, hayaan lang natin siya for 2 to 3 minutes para ma-absorb lang yung lasa ng ating carrots, onions, and celery. Then let's put some red or white wine. So guys, it's time to put our red wine. You can also use white wine, whichever you prefer. But kasi ito yung available sa aking kitchen right now. So I'm putting some red wine. So hindi kailangan mamahalin ang wine na ilalagay guys. Hayaan lang natin ng few minutes ang ating red wine para mag-evaporate ang alcohol. And so, para maging intense palalo ang kanyang lasa. Kung nag-enjoy ka panoorin ng ating recipe for today, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to turn on the notification para naman lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong recipes natin. And also to our live cooking collabs. So now it's time to add our tomatoes. I love the taste of the mushrooms, so I'm gonna put some mushrooms. I will also add some black olives. Now let's add some salt and pepper. So let's mix it up and simmer for 30 minutes until our rabbit meat is soft. And then we are done. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Subukan niyo po ang ating recipe for today at sigurado ako magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Chef Morris saying, happy cooking!